Hey everybody, it's Grant, and today we are on our second video of my new installment, Build and Sell Real Estate. This is the first time I've ever done this in my entire life, and this video segment is not only to show you cool houses, cool designs, and how it all comes together from ground up construction, but also to get you out of your comfort zone, to show you, just because I'm doing the exact same thing right now, that you can do something that you're not too sure about, and hopefully it pay off. So the last time that you were here, this was completely different. This house is really starting to come together, and it's a whole lot better than this B-roll right here, when this house was just some sticks, some roofing material, and the brick was just going on. So take a look at this beautiful living room. You have amazing large windows. You have a ton of natural light coming into this room, and I don't know if you can smell it, but I can. All of the paint that is going on right now. We have all the doors being sprayed. The walls have just been done. The painters just left. And I'm telling you, I really enjoy this house. Kayla loves this house the most. And it's just extremely exciting to watch you buy a subdivision. And then now we have houses that we've built. So I'll let you know how I feel after they close, but let's do a little tour in the meantime. So come over here and I'll show you the kitchen. I had to ditch the jacket. It was a little warm. The AC's not on yet, so you know, it's understandable. So this beautiful cabinetry we have all done. I'm telling you, I really like the way we're doing these. I wasn't super sure at first, but I think the little step up makes it just to have a little bit cooler feel to it. Your refrigerator will go here. You have a ton of counter space that I know our future homeowner is gonna absolutely love. We have another island right here. This is a working island. There is power to it. And you're gonna have a big slab of granite, so that way the kids, or you know, if you're a big kid like me, you can come eat at your bar and make sure that you can get you a nutritious meal in a very convenient place. All right, so now let's go take a look at the patio. I can't work the door. That's the second time I've tried. So here's the patio. It is not as big as my favorite patio in all of these 4 new builds, with the 5th one just starting. You can hear a little bit of road noise, but you'll definitely give up that road noise. You'll take that road noise for this beautiful backyard that you have a ton of room. Every single house on this property is gonna be a 0.4 or 0.5 acres. So that means you got a ton of room for the kids to play, you to barbecue, and you know, to mow. That's the least favorite, but still got a lot of room. So this house is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it is 2,200 square feet, which is gonna be plenty of room for a elevated first-time home buyer. We're also selling every single house in this subdivision for $169 a square foot. That gets you a beautiful custom home, as well as a ½ acre, as I've said before. So let's go ahead and show you the 3 extra bedrooms in this house, starting with this one, a very spacious bedroom. I don't know if you can hear that echo. I do apologize, it's an empty house. But you can see we did our beautiful gray paint. I'm telling you, I love it. I think it's such a smart choice. I saw a post the other day and it said, you know, no house has character anymore. I really do enjoy the gray and white color scheme. I think that's personality in itself. I'm sorry everybody's doing it, but sometimes trends are right. So I really enjoy this, and I used to be a huge earth tone guy. Our next bedroom is right here, also spacious, and most of these houses, I try to put as big of a closet as I can fit, so that way it makes our customer that much happier. So it's gonna be a little dark in here, but this is the 2nd bath of the house. I don't know if you can see, but you're gonna have a ton of counter space. You're gonna have some really very nice light fixtures that I very much enjoy. I think they're very cool. We have them picked out for this house, and then a very nice drop-in as well. And the last bedroom, before we go to the main event, is this one. Another very good sized bedroom. Not as big of a closet, but it's longer, so it does make up for it. So you still have plenty of room. It goes all the way down here and a little bit back that way. You got some natural light, and I really like this house. So when you come back in the foyer, I want you to notice how incredibly high these ceilings are. We do not spare an expense when it comes to squatty, funky ceilings. We want to have that grand entrance. This whole entire house has minimum 10-foot ceilings. So what that means is these beautiful ceilings are literally 14 feet tall. You do not get that in a Speck home. So right here we have a very good sized mudroom, plenty of space for the kids' shoes, all the rest, plenty of not counter space, but storage space. And then in here, you've got a 2-car garage. Oh, no power. But you have a 2-car garage that's very spacious. It's going to give you ample room to park 2 cars. You got some storage right here, and it really makes the garage very useful. And I know our customers are really going to enjoy the utilization of the space. I don't know if I would do this plan again where you actually can walk from the laundry room all the way into your closet, all the way into your bathroom. I've got to see when it's all done, me and Kayla will come through here and see if we like the feng shui of the house. But here is our bathroom where you're gonna have 2 his and her sides sinks, counter spaces, a big tall top cabinet. You've got your water closet, and then you've got your big soaking tub, and then another beautiful tiled shower. Now it's not tiled yet, but if you haven't seen it yet, we got one, and I know that one is gonna knock your socks off. And there was a little bit of water that day too. I'm pretty sure I got wet. Here, and here is some water. And actually I can hear the ice cream truck. So for a family, that's a selling point, right, Ralph?
Yeah.
And then we are in the last bedroom, the main bedroom, the master bedroom, whatever you would like to call it. It's got 2 beautiful windows that lets in a lot of natural light. It gives you that beautiful view of the backyard so you can make sure the kids aren't getting hurt or into trouble. And it also has a ton of space for you to put your TV, your bed, anything else you want to turn it into your home. So that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy videos like this, please power up that like button, hit that subscribe button, and notification bells. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and we are doing amazing from the little journey that we've actually experienced so far on YouTube. I say little, it's been over a year and a half, but it's been an absolute blast, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Also, please remember, I 100% believe in you. I know you can do anything that you set your mind to, and never let anyone tell you any differently. Speaking of the ice cream truck, it is the Tiki ice cream truck that's just right there. I don't know if you can hear it, but if you can, I mean, that's got to be a selling point. But what I was saying is, if you enjoy this video about the build and sell real estate, if you enjoyed that I showed you something that I've done for the very first time, please comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know how I can improve these videos, and I will see you on the next one. Meh, meh, meh.